Oh, there's no drain there, is there?
Just turn the camera on.
Morning.
Bloody hell. Oh,
I feel like I've been born too early.
Don't worry, mate.
What?
I'll get them. I feel like you've been born too early. That's just processed in my head.
I feel like I should.
It's too early to be carrying 2 cameras about.
That's why I'm not dancing about it, because I'll probably drop one.
We've got everything. My head's not work.
So where is the entrance?
I don't know. Still didn't find.
Oh yeah. How hard can it be to break?
Better say morning, folks, and I've seen as somebody did such a crap job.
Good morning.
Yeah, thank you. We are heading to the cemetery, seeing as we missed it yesterday. Dribbling about, you know. I feel like I'm floating in these boots.
Really? Are they really like...
They're good. I'm silent as well, I don't like this. Now you can't find me without my tap shoes. This is a well-known spot, this is.
There's some legs there.
Tanning them rear knees.
I ain't telling anything, I've got clothes.
And nice in the morning.
Maybe could we find an air?
Oh yeah. Do you want to go to the Mont?
Yeah.
So I did have a look, it's not that far away.
Yeah, it'd be stupid not to go. Have a look.
On the golf buggies. I feel like this is going to be a bit peculiar, mate.
Accès, monsieur. Definitive exit.
Is it up there?
Bye.
Access to leave?
Museum downstairs.
Right, thank you.
Do we want to? She was saying if you came.
11 days after 9/11 Beach, Marvel would find himself in the surrounding hedgerows. Second Lieutenant Walter Parra from Ceres, California, patrolled lives that ended in battles that raged on this beautiful countryside. The future of freedom and democracy. Thousands of
God, as if that's actually real, like...
Oh, there's the dim ration, you'll see.
That is what
Marvel would find himself in the surrounding hedgerows near a small town called
Dummy parachutes with explosives.
I went over to a field from which the
Groupers.
started up. This is the airman of the Allied Expeditionary Force. You are about to embark upon a great crusade, toward which we have striven these many months. The eyes of the world are upon you. The hopes and prayers of liberty-loving
Jonathan O. Larson, Raymond C. N. Grant Logan, Floyd L. Parsons, Robert E. Forsling, Duron H. Robertson, Roy Isaac W. Small, Melvin Gladstone, John F. Carl E. Perry, William Turner, Walter
Such a massive place.
I've got to edit now anyway.
Yeah. And so I'll wash my hair and wash. Oh! Give me an S. Give me a K. Give me an I. Oh. Ah, it's
Hello,
a bubble.
Oh!
Missed you. Missed you very much. Come on then, get back. I'll lift you out. Get back.
What's your toilet saying? Can you last another day or?
Yeah.
Should we chill out here then for the rest of the day, pretty much?
Yeah, and then drive.
Yeah, just chill and then just drive somewhere not too far away.
Yeah.
To sleep tonight. Can't really be asked to do anything right now.
Yeah, I know.
Comes back over here because he knows he's not going to get brushed. Your mummy being mean. Meanie?
Not me. I'm a good mum. Maybe that's why he acts like such a baby.
Maybe.
I do babying. This way. Come here. This way.
Didn't really have any words to say at the cemetery, to be honest, folks. I don't think anything needed saying, really, did it? Kind of speaks for itself. Yeah, the thing you've got to remember though, same with my van, any van, like, no matter what you do, all it is delaying how long until it's going to get hot. Like, eventually it will get hot. Like, my van gets so hot you can't even stand up in there, eventually. But it takes like pretty much all day. As soon as you go for a drive and let the air flow through it, it cools down again. Same now in the winter. You know, if I keep the heater running, it will stay warm in there. The insulation is just delaying how long it's till it gets cold. So,
Oh, it was well cold last night.
it was chilly last night.
My blanket fell off onto my sleeping bag. I was like, oh, okay. Actually does make a difference.
Yeah, I sleep with the blanket over the top. I don't need to be under the duvet yet, but I imagine that's coming. I don't think it will ever drop to freezing inside the van.
No, it shouldn't do.
No.
I don't know. Maybe mine will. I've got a lot of gaps in mine. And you can see the floor in numerous places. In the cupboard, 2 cupboards, and at the door.
Don't know, see what happens. I've never had it in freezing temperatures before. If it gets to the point where we're having a shit time, we'll just leave.
Yeah.
We'll just go somewhere warmer. It's not rocket science, but we'll just try and hack it out because I think it'll be good.
Yeah, it definitely will be good.
I really like looking at my van. I don't know why, I just do. Even though I built it, I still like looking at it.
Well, that's normal, right? I'm not looking at my van, but...
Can't see yours, mate.
I know.
Hidden behind the beast.
Blocked. God, such a white girl, I know. God, it's like reflecting. Yeah, I might do this tofu then, fuck it.
It's an excellent chef position going on there.
Guys!
What?
Just leave me to be a man in peace. I don't know what to think about this.
What?
It looks quite...
Rotten.
not rotten, but it looks exactly how it looks on the tin, so I guess that's good. Anyway, stuff in tins can't go off, Mum said. Is that right?
It obviously has a date.
It's fine, it's okay. It just doesn't look okay.
What's the date?
Well, it won't go off unless it's like...
It'll be on the ring pull, mate.
Oh, August 2017.
Oh!
Like it.
Can we make a verbal agreement that
Or
if we both
if
get
you
sick,
like
it's
it.
your fault?
Okay, people watching this will definitely know that you can do that.
Yeah, probably, but...
Obviously, a year's not even that bad, like... I mean, I could have a child in that
What
time.
are these words coming out of your mouth right now? I know it's a can, but...
We're gonna do it anyway. Someone did turn the tap off.
Looks like we're shaving your hair to a bob then.
No chance on earth. That's like cutting off your balls. Oh wait.
Right folks, the video today and uploading everything took 6 or 7 hours in total, so we've not really done much else. We've just been out now and took a few night pictures, like with the stars. It's mega starry, so not too bad. We're still in the same spot. We're going to get up early tomorrow and move somewhere new. But yeah, so I think going to that cemetery was enough today, to be honest. We both, when we came back, we just sort of sat around and chilled out for a while. I suppose let it process a bit. It's mad there, mad. But yeah, anyway, so I'll catch you all tomorrow.